Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing you another Embossing Folder Friday project that will feature this diamond plate embossing folder. I've had it in my stash for quite some time. I don't remember using it on a project that maybe I've featured, but I'm excited to use that today. Of course, I'm going to pair that with some silver foil cardstock. This is just the recollections that you buy in the in their packs, and I will also be working outside of my general wheelhouse, and am going to be featuring some mixed media items in today's card. The theme for this month is masculine, and so I always say, well, masculine is just not super feminine, but as I was thinking about it, I am pretty obsessed with purchasing some Tim Holtz products right now. So I have quite a few embellishments and different things that are going to be great for an industrial type card that will match the theme of this this embossing folder. So I am going to get a couple panels embossed, and I will be right back. This is Ideology collage tiles. This is the Christmas pack, but I was leafing through and I found this gentleman with the fabulous hat. I'm going to be using that today. And I also have these old K & Company frames that I've never used. So I don't even know if these are still on the market. But maybe I can get in this pack. There are all different sizes, but you see these have some of those old negative kind of markings on them. So let me see. I didn't really anticipate it being a perfect fit, but this kind of almost is. I thought another good look might be just a larger one, like this. These also have almost like a vinyl finish to them. They're pretty cool. I wish that I would have realized how cool they were and used them before today. Now I have some of these gears and tiny clips and these little arrows and quills, which are really cool. I don't know that they fit what I'm going for today, though. These are flat on the back, so. Come on. Oh, here, maybe I'll do it like this. I feel like this gets lost on the silver. Now I just grabbed a little bit of scrap cardstock in black, and I'm cutting it to 5 1/2 rather than 5 1/4. Sorry about the ring light. I am not sure what is happening. I'm just going to lay that across here. This edge is already a little... So somehow my camera stopped recording in the middle there. I just went ahead and added that strip of paper down at the bottom. It almost looks like a shelf to me. And then we have our quill or feather. I added him on this side, and it kind of also gives that kind of shelf effect with the photo frame in the background. I tucked just the tiniest bit of corner of that frame underneath this piece, and then I added one of the gears here, and I'm just going to put the other two up here at the top-ish. Let's see, right about there. So I'm not quite sure how much of the video recorded. I actually had to stop and clear out a bunch of old videos from my phone. So I just wanted to kind of go over the pieces of this card. I did, of course, use the embossing folder that has the diamond plate on it. And then I used this black strip of cardstock. It's pretty frayed. It looks pretty organic, and it looks kind of like a shelf to me. So I added this quill laying on top of it. The one gear I put here, and then this frame is actually tucked behind both of these pieces with the photo in it that I just barely did a tiny bit of coloring with a purple pencil. And then I put these two gears here, and I was worried that the art glitter glue wasn't going to hold, but it holds. So far so good. I'll kind of give it a little test later on and see how it is doing. So there's my card. Please don't forget that this is part of a hop. So where you see the hashtag EFF November, you can click on that and it'll take you to the other hoppers. Please give them some love. Let them know that I sent you. Thank you so much for watching another video. Don't forget that giving my videos a like or commenting help me grow my channel. Thank you. Don't forget safety first.